Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we've got one that I've been after for quite a while. It's taken a while for me to get hold of it, just for really the sellers being able to get them for me. So we have the Blackburn Rovers 24-25 home shirt. This was purchased from kitgg7.com, recently changed. They were kitgg6 and they've obviously gone up through the names, but we're at kitgg7 at the point of recording this video. What I will do as well is I'll leave a DHgate link. I'm sure I can find this shirt on DHgate now. I say I'm sure. I have ordered my lad and my youngest daughter the Blackburn home and away shirt. Oh, actually, is it the third? Home and the third shirt. It's a pink one for my daughter, and my lad's got this one. So DHgate definitely have them. The shirt itself comes in a standard bag, and on the flip side, likewise, it is plain. As always with Blackburn, tend to be sport performance, but yeah, the quality has always been really good in the past. The only thing that I've already noticed that is slightly off on this is the badge. It's got a chunkier black rim around it than what's on the official one. But we'll open it up and we'll have a look in more detail to see if there are any differences that I'm aware of. I also think this hasn't got the reverse sponsor on it, but hey, I'm happy with the price of this one. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll get this shirt out of the bag and we'll have a look at the Blackburn Rovers home shirt for the 24-25 season from kitgg7.com. Okay, we've got the front of the shirt and we have a proper collar. Obviously, the way that this shirt has been designed is to recreate the 94-95 championship shirt, which is why you've got this like red part in there. Back on the 94-95 one, though, this red was joined to both sides, whereas on here it's obviously like a proper button-up collar. It has got the two buttons. Macron emblem has been embroidered in. Likewise, the Blackburn crest has been embroidered on it. It's slightly wonky. And as I mentioned at the start of this video, it has got a thicker black line than the official one. Got Macron on the sleeve and on that sleeve, and the Venky's patch, and they've both been heat pressed on. They're like a vinyl. Same with the Watson Ramsbottom Solicitors sponsor. This has been heat pressed on. I was hoping that they'd bring out the women's shirt as well, because I prefer the sponsor on that one. I do like the rose imprinted into the material. Is that? Oh no, I thought there was a slight mark on there. And again, the red continues down to the bottom. And we have the official licensed product, Eco Fabrics Macron. Absolutely love the design of this one. That's the front. We'll flip it around and we'll look at the reverse side too. Okay, we're on to the back. And the collar line continues around, a nice strong collar. And there's our first sign of the centenary, 94-95, Blackburn winning the league. And this is all vinyled on. So I've gone for no name or number on this one. I did contemplate it, but in all honesty, I couldn't decide who I wanted to get. So I left it blank. I don't know if that was the right choice or not. I was torn at one moment. I thought Travis and I thought Hedges, but no, I've just left it blank for the time being. And there is no reverse sponsor on this one, which obviously the main shirt does have. This was probably produced before that sponsor actually was confirmed. Stitching all looks nice on the back. Put my hand through it, you can just about see my hand, but it is quite a shiny, glossy sort of material. I'm not sure if that's how the material should be. I was expecting it to be a bit more textured, but this is, yeah, it is quite shiny. But let's look at the inside. Okay, we're now onto the inside of the shirt. And obviously here's the Blackburn crest, which I said had been embroidered on, just some of the card that tends to sit on there. If you've got a lot more card on there, warm water and it will soon come off. The Macron and the Venky's have gone on nicely, no creases at all. Here we can see that red part that I was telling you on the collar line, and the Macron embroidered in. Again, there's a bit more card there, so some warm water and that will come off. Here the Macron on the sleeve, smooth as can be. A lot of creases here on the main sponsor, but it's got on really well. So no worries there at all. It's just crease from the shirt being in the bag. And at the bottom we have our washing instructions. The recommendation is to hand wash these, and when you dry it, flip it inside out and just let it hang dry. Never put it in a tumble dryer. Hemline all looks nice and tidy. Stitching looks pretty good, to be fair. I don't think I've had a bad Blackburn shirt actually when I've ordered them. Okay, we've got the final part of the inside of the shirt now, and we have the Macron XL. So I am more of a large, but I tend to wear items underneath these shirts when I play football, so that's why I've sized up. But with this one, to be honest, I would go true to size. Obviously here we've got a bit of a glimpse of the away shirt, the red and black from the 94-95 season, which is what they have gone for this season as well. There's our sports performance tag, nothing flash with that at all. Pushing in, you can just about make out the sponsor, the Blackburn badge. You can't see Macron, but that gives you an indication of the lightness of the material. Nothing else really to call out on this one on the inside. Stitching all looks good. Stitching all looks good on that side as well. Lovely, lovely shirt. I am going to say that, but it's a Blackburn one, but I do really like this shirt. It's definitely a nice throwback. And there is our Blackburn home shirt for the 24-25 season from kitgg7.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. It's taken a while to get hold of this shirt, but I'm finally glad I've managed to get hold of it and do this video. I've had a few people ask for it, so hopefully you're still watching or hanging around to watch this one. What's also great this season is that you are able to get kids versions of the Blackburn shirts as well, and that's the home, the away and the third shirt. I do have the third shirt, which is the pink one. I'm pointing, but you won't be able to see it behind me. So that will be coming up soon. And I do have a kids version of this home one as well. So I will do all videos for those. All details for Kit GG will be in the description of this video. I'll also try and leave a DHgate link for the same item. If you have enjoyed this one, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. If you leave any questions below as well, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But there is our Blackburn home shirt for the 24-25 season. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.